She's giving 1990 like hit you with the wop, ayy. Hit y'all with the wop, ayy. Hey. Hey. Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a show and tell on this big beautiful beauty. My name is Vageline, your favorite wig influencer. If I ain't, then I will be. You feel me? If you are new here, welcome to Who's That Girl, where I showcase synthetic wigs at least once a week. If you happen to watch this video all the way to the end, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright folks, come on, let's get into this video. It's been a minute since I've done my videos this way, so I figured since this video was going to be short, I might as well just go ahead and show you my face while I'm talking. Anyway, I got this wig from WhatLace Collection. I can't remember what website I got her from because it's been so long. She's been sitting in my closet and I was just like, oh, let me try and see if I can go ahead and review her. So I'll make sure to link her down below, whatever website she's from. I can't remember. Anyway, so I got this wig from WhatLace Collection. She is from the Remy Illusion Virgin Hair Dupe Collection. Now it says that she's an easy, swift wig to put on. 100% human hair. Baby, at first I was like, 100% human hair? We don't do that over here. WhatLace Collection, what y'all trying to do? Y'all trying to set me up? Y'all trying to set me up? What that be about? But I was reading the stock card, I realized she got some synthetic in her. So okay, she's a human hair dupe kind of thing. So okay, I forgive you, Jen. So the stock card reads that she is a Remy Illusion Easy and Swift half wig, 100% human hair premium Unimix, which pretty much means she's mixed with some synthetic, because I doubt she's 100% human. Natural and realistic look and feel. One wig with endless possibility styles. Comes with 2 deep wide combs. Quick and easy styling for everyday use. Hair can be washed and heated. And she's manufactured by WhatLace Collection, because I said she was a WhatLace Collection hair. Now, is she big hair friendly? Again, this is a half wig, so you can literally put your hair out and cover her. So yes, she's big head friendly. Did she shed? She did shed, because I did cut into her, but even before I cut into her, there was hair coming out all on my dress. Will she tangle? I'm not planning on combing her out because she's a curly wig. This is how I would wear her. Color blend is super duper cute. I love the way this looks. She is definitely summertime fine, like, baby. Okay. Her texture is okay. Like, again, she says human hair, but she still kind of feels a little synthetic for me. But no one could really tell the difference. I'm just saying, like, if you have natural, maybe like a 4B type of hairstyle, you can definitely cover it in front and she'll just blend perfectly. Like, she is a cute wig. Because my hair is braided, I pretty much brought her all the way to the front in this little side swoop. Because as you can see, I pushed my hair all the way back and I just didn't want to cover it. I didn't think it would, I don't know, I just didn't want to cover it. So you can wear her in a bunch of different styles. If I wanted to take her and bring her all the way to the front, I could and style her up that way. Wanted to do this, you can do this as well. I think she looks super duper cute, but I like her in the little side dupe, so I'm gonna keep that going. Put her in a side swoop because she is adorable. Would I buy her again? I would definitely buy her again. She's super duper cute. She's a very affordable. She's giving all the looks. Where would I wear her to? Baby, like I said before, she is summertime fine. Any event that you got going on for this summer, slap this wig on and go. Customize her to your face and just get up and go. Seriously, she is a beautiful wig. I love everything about her. You can never go wrong with a cute curly wig for the summer. I'm just saying. And this one, the color, the cut, everything is just super duper cute. I like her. And I like her a lot. Anyway, folks, it's just my opinion on Miss Thing from Janet Collection. So the battery on my mic went out, so I am actually doing a voiceover for the end of this video. Like I was saying before, she is a very cute wig for the summer, and she's a throw on and go and very affordable, so you can't go wrong with that. If you happen to like what you see in this video, guys, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and then hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one, you will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.